How to check your local store's menu and prices in Domino's Pizza. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Domino's page. Here, click on Pickup or Delivery at the top. After you click on Pickup or Delivery at the top, it will lead you to this page. Here, select your location. Type in your location, postcode, suburbs, or store name. After you've done that, you'll find the location. Click on it. After you click on the location, it will give you the stores available in that location. Select the store you want to view menu of. After you've selected the store, it will lead you to this page. Here, it will give you the exact location of the store. Now, simply scroll down in here and you'll find Order Now option. Click on Order Now in here. After you click on Order Now in here, simply you'll find all the menus. Now you can simply check the prices and the menu of the store here and order. And this is how to check your local store's menu and prices in Domino's Pizza. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.